This is Dublin in June, and at this time of the year it never really gets dark, which makes photographing objects light years away a little more difficult. So this month I tried to work around it. Even with the short nights, there's still a lot happening overhead, and these were a few moments from June captured from my garden in Dublin. With the weather not really cooperating at night, I turned to the one thing that kept breaking through the clouds. Some days it was the sun, some nights it was the moon. Not the target I'd planned, but still a reminder that there was plenty happening overhead. And by the longest day of the year, darkness barely showed up at all. So with it never really getting dark, I decided to point at something bright enough to work in those conditions. M13 sitting high above the garden in Hercules. And when a window opens up, it's time to get out in the garden and get set up. With everything assembled, it's time for calibration. With the final adjustments made, the telescope is now tracking the night sky. With calibration complete, it's time to let it run. With everything coming through clean, now it's just a matter of waiting. Before calling it a night, there are still a few final frames left to take. And now came the moment of truth. After a month of fighting the weather, had I captured enough to make an image? And that was June.